In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a meeting in Google Calendar. Canceling a meeting can seem like a straightforward task, but there are a few steps to consider to ensure everything goes smoothly, especially when guests are involved or if the meeting is recurring. Let's walk through this process step by step. To get started, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to Google Calendar. Once there, look through your calendar and locate the meeting you wish to cancel. This can be done by scrolling through your scheduled events or using the search function if you have many entries. Once you find the meeting, give it a click. When you do this, a pop-up will appear, giving you all the details about the event. In the upper right corner of this pop-up, you will see a trash bin icon. Clicking this icon will initiate the cancellation of the meeting. For meetings where guests have been invited, you'll be prompted to decide whether you'd like to notify them about the cancellation. If you opt to send a notification, this is the time to click Send. This ensures that everyone is aware the meeting is no longer happening. Alternatively, if you prefer to cancel the event without notifying attendees, you can select Don't Send, and the meeting will be removed quietly. It's important to note that regardless of which option you choose as the organizer, the meeting will disappear from your calendar as well as your guests. Now let's talk about what to do if the meeting is recurring. In this scenario, you'll want to click on one instance of the recurring event, just as you would with a single event. When you proceed to click the trash bin icon, you'll be presented with a choice. You can choose to cancel just this one instance, this and all future instances, or all occurrences of the event, whichever option best fits your needs. Once you've made your choice, finalize the process by clicking the appropriate prompts to confirm and send notifications if necessary. This flexibility is particularly useful if you only need to cancel certain instances while keeping others intact. This approach ensures you maintain control over your schedule and that of your guests, minimizing confusion and calendar clutter. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to canceling meetings in Google Calendar, whether they're single or recurring events. By following these steps, you'll be able to navigate cancellations with ease and ensure effective communication with all involved parties. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.